TWR Wednesday SITREP. What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room back at you with another video. First of all, I gotta say, man, I appreciate the love and support you guys are giving me while I go through this time with my family. My mom's doing okay. She's not doing great, but she's doing okay in the hospital. You know, it's every day we're just kind of moving along. So, you know, videos are gonna be a little bit shorter, but man, you guys understand. You guys have just outdone yourself, man. I look at us more than just a business platform or, you know, I give you guys alerts, you guys make money type of thing, man. I look at us as battle buddies. I look at us as family. So I appreciate that, and I want to make sure I keep giving you guys quality and quantity and make sure that you guys have the best Traders War Room you can have. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I got some great stuff for you, and as always, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war together, team. Traders War Room, baby. Let's get it right now. Stay tuned at the end for new upcoming events. How's TWR doing thus far? All right, let's start off with Baba, okay? We got in at 135. We exited today at 162. We left some runners with that stop loss above break even, $27 per contract. For those of you that are new to the platform, guys, I put time and date stamps on all of my alerts because you guys know I keep it 100. AMC, we ended up trimming out. We entered 170, trimmed out at 205. That's $35 per contract, 62 on the day. And finally, Special K, man, K. We ended up getting in at this at 145, came out at 220. That's $75 per contract, 181 on the day. Now let's talk about assumptions. I'm assuming when I give out these numbers that you take at least one trade per alert near or at my entry and exit point. More trades equal more money. Imagine taking 5 or 10 trades on each alert. Now we're talking some money, baby. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible when you're a TWR market warrior. So quit wasting money. That's not making money. Join TWR. The links are in the description. Stocks I like for trades. All right, so let's talk about SPY. Basically, we got an inside bar and we got broadening going on. So 2 triggers, 401 and 397. We trigger the 401 to the top side. We run with calls. We trigger the 397 to the bottom side. We go ahead and start running with puts. These possibly would have follow through so that we could get some swing trades, but we need to be cautious because we know as well as anything that this stock likes to turn on the dime. So once we start riding momentum, we need to be profit taking and pulling back and trimming and then readjusting those stop losses. NVDA absolutely crushed earnings. So the top line trigger is that 229. We could even think of it as 230. We start to close solidly above that. We could think that we might be getting a breakout and we could go on to a new high. The next high would possibly be somewhere 245, 250. However, we would likely get some pullback as well, especially going up to that point and peeking at it, but not solidly closing above it. And then if we get the pullback, we could definitely expect 221, 220 would be right in the neighborhood. So this one will be a definite watch and wait for your move type trade. This one is one of those trades that I wish I could get back, man. This would have been a fantastic trade. Just on February 14th, this thing was $10 and this thing ran all the way up to 136. Absolutely missed this. This was not on my radar. Man, my mind wasn't thinking about this particular stock, and I should have been because I was really excited when this IPO'd. However, you know, we're looking at it right now. We're looking at potentially that 109, 110 for continuation to the upside and possibly shorting this all the way down to the 82 type of area. And once options are open, you already know we're going to start going in on this and get some of this money back. Laser is one that's getting a lot of attention because of their deal with Mercedes-Benz. And we're going to go ahead with this one and put out our free trade alert. We get that trigger to the upside. We're going to go ahead and look at this $7 call pushing out into March. Trigger to the downside, we're going to look at the 7.5 put 17 March. We want to get a pretty decent price, so we'll definitely look for the best bang for the buck. But if we notice resistance at the top, we can go ahead and probably go ahead and plug this one in and make sure we ride this one down. This is an interesting stock. ENVX got a lot of attention today, possibly a short squeeze, popped up a lot considering, and it's at a level where we're looking at 945 being the top level for a break to the upside, but we also got the 921 looking for the trigger to the downside. Reason why this one's interesting is because if we get that trigger to the upside, we have a nice little gap play that could potentially push into 10, maybe 11. Run is a decent one, and I like this one. It's always done fairly well. We're starting to get some attention in this one. Got an outside bar going on. So we're looking at the 2458, 2460 for the top and 2380, 2375 for the bottom. Definitely looking for some momentum going either way. And this one usually likes to run with SPY. So if SPY is strong, this one will go strong. If SPY is weak, this one will go weak. COP, ConocoPhillips, gasoline and energy stocks have been definitely not doing as well. We got a nice little opportunity here, potentially positioned for a bounce type play if we get the decent close below the 103.46, and I would even push that maybe to 103 flat. We could think about going to the downside for a little bit, possibly could see 99, something like that. However, if we get the bounce play, since energy has been just absolutely beat up, the 105.45 or 105.50 would be a good point for potentially closing above that and riding this thing for long. That's it, team. Don't forget, Traders War Room is your one-stop shop. Try our TWR one-to-one mentoring. Does the market have you feeling like this, or wanting to rip your hair out while you watch your account dwindle? If that's you, then Traders War Room has you covered. Our one-to-ones focus on you as a trader or investor. The Zoom session connects you with a TWR professional. Whether we're covering charts, developing a plan of attack, or being strategic and deep diving on the how, why, and execution of trade plans, TWR one-to-ones will give you the confidence to attack, conquer, destroy, and make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. Book your session today. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war. Traders War Room Trading University is happy to announce open registration for our next option fundamental course. Did Wall Street make you feel like a complete loser in 2022? Or was everything going great and you blinked just for a split second and got repeatedly kicked in the you-know-what over and over again? TWR is here to help you. Our university's fundamental course is an in-depth 5-week-long course that's done live via Zoom platform. Our virtual classroom is where you can interact with the instructor, other students, or see copies of the classes right there on the platform, and rivals that of traditional online education. Testimonials from previous class graduates are proof that our cradle-to-the-grave approach works in giving you consistently profitable skills to trade options. Registration is open today. Links are in the description, or go to traderswarroom.com. I will see you there. Let's go to war. Make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war.